Welcome back. I'm out here by my small pile of potting soil. I had a truck of it delivered here, basically the entire bed of a pickup truck, and it's kind of running low because I'm a plant hoarder and I have potted a bunch of stuff up. But I am sitting here in my pile of potting soil because I have something I have to pot up. I found this in the refrigerator and I said, man, I'm gonna have to show you guys, because this is the sort of thing I love doing and I love showing it off. You guys know I love to start trees from seed. And so we have been saving peach pits and plum pits, and I was digging through the fridge and I thought, I wonder if those things are coming up. And guess what? That's an acorn. That acorn was in there. Look at that. That's an accidental. That's hilarious. The first one that comes out is an acorn. I want to show you guys that I can't keep my species straight. Okay, where are you? There you are. That is a little plum right there. Isn't that so weird? That was growing in my fridge. So many times I have talked about how much I love the genetic diversity in trees and why I think you should grow trees from seed. And so I said, you know what? I'm constantly doing this. So I figured I will show you that we have some. And now this time of year, I mean, this is the dead of winter. So this thing has been tricked into thinking that we're nearing spring. So I'm gonna pot it right there. You can see that it was starting to loop around in a funny angle there. They turn according to gravity. And I'm gonna stick that in my greenhouse because it is so small and delicate right now. Was that the only one? What are these? You know what? That might be an almond. I stick a lot of stuff. These could be peach pits or almonds. I don't even know. It would be really cool if it was an almond because it would be great to adapt them to this area. But welcome to Dave's Random World. There's a lot of stuff in the fridge. Now these guys here have not sprouted yet. Peaches and almonds look similar. But if you're not familiar with this process, all you've got to do is when you eat a nice peach or a plum or a cherry, take the pit, stick it in a little bit of potting soil, and then put it in your refrigerator. Just slightly damp potting soil, stick it in the refrigerator, wait 3, 4, 5 months, and just check it occasionally when you're sorting stuff in the fridge and getting rid of leftovers. And then when it sprouts, when they sprout and they start to put on roots like that, you get the little leaves coming out of it, then it is time to pot it up. And you just pot them up and put them someplace moderately warm so they don't get destroyed by the winter cold if it's winter. I'm just gonna stick this in the greenhouse. We have had some freezes, some borderline freezes lately. Come on in. Watch your step. It is a mess in here. We put everything tropical that we could find into the greenhouse, including cassava cuttings and everything else. And I will put this in here and I'll stick these back in my fridge. I feel like one of the best things you can do to adapt trees to your area is to simply plant lots of seedling trees and see what happens. Just plant them like crazy, right? You got nothing into them. And particularly with the stone fruits, they produce so fast that it really makes sense. I've had lots of plums and peaches that I've started from seed, and I've eaten a lot of peaches off of trees that I started from seed, and I've given away a lot of seedling peaches. And I mean, 2 to 3 years you can get peaches. Very, very fast. It's not like waiting for an apple or an avocado or something like that. If we don't meet again before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Have a great time with your family and your friends. God bless you all. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.